So when I first started working at Corning, the fusion process was already 27 years old. And 31 years later, we're still doing new and innovative things. I'm Shawn Markham, a corporate fellow at Corning Incorporated. The great thing about Corning, we do what we do it very well, and we kind of do it with no one knowing, right? So you don't think about that 50% of your LCDs or your PCs have our glass in there, right, around the world, global. And then the phones and the portable devices, and now we're going into automotive, right? So we're everywhere all day long. So the fusion drop process, the area I work in, has a pretty fast response. So you can make a move and see the results in 4 hours. So, right, that keeps you interested because I don't have to wait till tomorrow. So I know Corning has a great fundamental of research. And when you're in the manufacturing side, there can be times where something has already happened just by accident. And we just have to go discover the data because we've been recording all of it on all of our lines. So we do experiments frequently in our process, either because we're looking to test the boundary limits or we want to run a new glass composition. Let's say we have a new glass chemistry because it has new properties, either a different anneal point, the customer wants to heat it up and they want to bend it at a certain temperature. So we get the glass recipe, and then on our side, we'll figure out, based on that glass composition and properties, what temperatures we have to turn the furnace to deliver very flat product. To me, I see the future of fusion as endless, right? Anything you want to make flat glass, and in fact, we make flat glass round. We put it on a spool. So there really aren't any limits.